Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing accounts. Sign up for Linktree and the affiliate programs you'll promote. Once done, add your top 3 affiliate links to Linktree using clear labels and UTM parameters so you can track traffic sources. Make sure your Pinterest profile bio links directly to that Linktree URL and includes a short value-driven phrase. This gets clicks immediately while preserving flexibility. You'll swap offers without changing your Pinterest presence, which is faster than repinning or rebuilding pins. Next, craft pins that funnel viewers to specific Linktree links. Create vertical pins with a strong CTA and keyword-rich descriptions, then schedule them to relevant boards. On Linktree, build group sections, new, best, seasonal, so one pin can route to the perfect landing. Enable custom thumbnails and icons to match each offer, and a /b test 2 link titles to optimize click-through rate. By segmenting and testing, you learn which creative and link copy converts, reducing wasted ad spend and improving ROI. Finish by analyzing results. Compare Linktree clicks to affiliate conversions and Pinterest metrics to spot winning combos. Once you find a winner, scale with promoted pins and at least 2 alternate creatives per offer. Make sure your Linktree shows a clear affiliate disclosure to stay compliant. If tracking seems off, first confirm UTMs and Linktree click redirects are intact, then clear caches or test from an incognito browser. Most issues are redirect or caching problems that a quick URL.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.